Why is Centuray's high-voltage cable always the first choice of customers? In one continuous shot, let's take a look at our 110 kV high-voltage cable manufacturing process. Now we are going to the 18-story vertical VCV tower line. Conductors are finely pre-treated before production to eliminate impurities. Adopting integrated 3-layer co-extrusion cross-linking technology, delivering more uniform insulation, better voltage resistance, higher stability, stronger breakdown resistance, more durable long-term operation. Formed cable cores go through a dedicated constant temperature buffer system for stable setting, which reduces internal stress and ensures consistent factory quality. With strict full process quality control, we are the reliable choice for you.